Welcome to Amazon Kitchen Gadgets you wish you found sooner. A rapid-fire lineup of clever tools that slash prep time, spark creativity, and make cooking way more fun. With every tug of its self-retracting cord, this compact processor sends the stainless steel blades whirring through 8 precise spins, turning whole veggies into perfectly even cuts in seconds. Its versatile bowl tackles everything from chunky salsa and herb mixes to silky purees and even crushed ice, giving any home chef total texture control without a single watt of electricity. When the chopping's done, the bowl and blades pop straight into the dishwasher, while the lid gets a quick rinse, proof that pro-level prep can be fast, fuss-free, and totally unplugged. This patented Lazy Susan glides effortlessly across rectangular or oblong tables, giving every guest quick, wobble-free access to their favorite dishes without the handoff hustle. One spinner can handle everything from weeknight tacos to a holiday feast for 12. Setup takes less than 2 minutes, no tools required, and its smooth, wipe-clean trays make post-party cleanup almost as easy as the meal sharing itself. This tapered silicone tube corrals every clove, then rolls effortlessly under gentle palm pressure, slipping the skins off in seconds while trapping the papery mess inside. Because the cloves stay sealed in and your fingers never touch the raw garlic, hands stay completely odor-free, no soap and steel scrub session required. When the cooking's done, it tucks back into its vented storage box and goes straight into the dishwasher, proving that big flavor doesn't have to come with sticky skins or lingering smells. A quick pump of the ergonomic knob sends its razor-sharp stainless steel blade spinning, slicing veggies, herbs, or nuts into perfectly uniform pieces in seconds. The integrated catcher cup, etched with easy red measurement marks, keeps every dice tidy and lets cooks pour straight into salads, salsas, or stir-fries without extra bowls. With minimal effort and zero mess, this compact chopper turns tedious prep into a one-handed countertop breeze. This 3-tier organizer cradles up to 30 eggs in individual shock-buffered slots, then auto-rebounds each layer forward the moment a top egg is plucked, so the next breakfast hero rolls into place without a single nudge. Twin date dials on the sides let cooks mark the exact purchase day for freshness you can track at a glance, turning random fridge rummaging into orderly, first-in first-out precision. Compact enough for the slim shelf yet sturdy and BPA-free, it declutters cartons, shields delicate shelves from door slam disasters, and proves that smart storage really can flip your whole kitchen routine. This all-in-one tub unfolds into a sturdy cutting board station, locks tight to corral marinades or leftovers, and then collapses flat so it disappears in a drawer once the grill is hot. Easy grip handles and a non-slip base let cooks carry it from kitchen counter to campsite without messy drips, while tough, dishwasher-safe materials shrug off sharp knives and open flames alike. Available in Junior, Original, and XL sizes, it scales from quick veggie prep to feeding a crowd, proving that space-saving design can still handle supersized flavor. This wobble-free tenderizer turns even game cuts into buttery fillets in seconds. No hand mallet, no sore elbows. A clear top lets cooks watch each steak glide through 3 adjustable rollers, thick, thicker, thickest, adding just right ridges that lock in marinades and slash cooking time. A concealed 420 stainless blade lets this 5-in-1 mandoline glide through potatoes, cucumbers, and onions in 4 snap select modes: slice, julienne, matchstick, or dice, while your fingers stay completely out of harm's way. Dial the thickness from paper-thin 0.1 mm to hearty 8 mm without swapping blades, then collapse the frame and whisk away residue with the included brush for a sink-side cleanup that takes seconds. Compact on the shelf yet backed by a 24-month warranty, it upgrades daily prep into pro-level precision with zero fear and zero fuss. This patented, hands-free gadget clamps onto any pot 6-9 inches wide and glides across the bottom so soups, risottos, and sauces never scorch while you focus on the next course. A whisper-quiet high-torque motor runs up to 10 hours on a 1-hour USB charge, or plugs in for all-night chili duty, and now spins 1.5 times faster than the last-gen model for silkier results. Auto-adjusting legs and variable speed control mean perfect creaminess every time, turning marathon stirring sessions into a set-it-and-forget-it chef's hack. A continuously spinning tray and independently controlled top and bottom elements surround every pizza or cookie batch with 360 degrees heat, delivering uniform browning without mid-bake flips. The built-in timer dings and shuts the elements off automatically, while the unit sips up to 60% less energy than a full-size oven, perfect for late-night cravings or dorm room feasts. When the party's over, the non-stick pan lifts out for a quick wipe and slides neatly into a cabinet, proving pizzeria quality slices don't need a brick oven or a giant footprint.